Imagine this, you wake up in the morning and your business has already sent hundreds of WhatsApp messages automatically to your customers. Customers are receiving auction alerts and catalogs, and the best part is that whenever a customer replies, they instantly get automated responses 24/7 without you typing a single message, no manual work, no misleads, and no delay replies. In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete WhatsApp chatbot for your business step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. And to make it practical, we'll build a real chatbot example that sends auction alerts automatically on WhatsApp. So let's start, but before we jump into the tutorial, let me show you what we are going to build today. So here is the flow. First, a customer received the WhatsApp template message alerting them about the new auction. Then if the user replies or click any of these buttons, then the chatbot automatically continues the conversation, shares them the upcoming auctions catalogs, and also register them as a bidder. Now I am going to show you the real-time working of this flow. At first, I am sending this template message to any user by clicking on this inbox feature. Say I want to send a message to this test user, so I am sending it by selecting the template from here. Once I click on it, see, these are the templates that I have already created before. So I want to send this auction alert template, so I am selecting this and clicking on the send button, and you will see the template is successfully sent to the user. And here I have received the template with one amazing welcome message that hello, welcome to Elite Auction Gallery. How can we assist you today? With 3 quick options, name is view upcoming auctions, become a bidder, and get auction catalog. Let's say I want to view the upcoming auction, so I am clicking on this button. Then you will see it shares me the details about the upcoming auctions. If I click on this contact us button, see it will shares me the contact details. Let's say I want to register as a bidder, so I am clicking on this button, that is register as a bidder. Then it will ask me for my full name, so I am entering it as in smart user. Next it will ask me for my email address, and once I send the test email address, then you will see I have received this message from the bot. And if I click on this get auction catalog button, then it shares me the catalog PDF. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build in this video. But before we move ahead, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to design this type of amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, or you want to send this template message to hundreds or many more your customers at the same time, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. As I have mentioned about the sending this template message to your multiple users at the same time. So for going more detail about it, you have to watch this video till the end. Now without wasting any time, let's start building this chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and search Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page on the right hand side, you will see 2 options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps, where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you want a step-by-step tutorial of how you can add the WhatsApp number, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature. After that, you will come in this page, that is Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, name as trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your business step-by-step tutorial. After giving the name, you will see 2 options. The one is active and inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. And on the left hand side, you will see 2 options. option, that is messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of templates. So I am selecting this option. Templates are the pre-approved message that was sent to the user. It is usually used for starting a conversation by your site. After that, I am choosing a template from here by clicking on this option. See, this is the auction alert template, and here I have selected. Now I am going to show you how you can create this type of template. So for creating it, you just have to click on this template feature that are present in this left sidebar, and you will see this is the page where you can create multiple types of template for your different type of businesses. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button. After that, you will see two options, that is add template and generate with AI. You can create a template by using AI by clicking on this option. Here I am going to generate a template by myself, so I am choosing this add template option. Then see, this is the starting page of creating your template, where at first you have to select the template category as it will provide you three, that is marketing, utility and authentication. Here I am selecting category as marketing. Next I am entering the template name as auction alert. After that, the language I am going to select as English. Next is the variable type. In few minutes I will explain you about this. After that, the template type I am going to select as text, but you can select any of the one from here. Next, the template header is an optional. You can give the header if you want to, and I am not giving it. After that, I am entering the template format and this will as hello, welcome to Elite Auction Gallery. We host exclusive auctions for art and luxury collectibles. How can we assist you today? And you can see that as soon as I have entered the template format here, it will automatically visible here too. After that, the template footer is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the interactive actions with 4 options, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. Here I want to set the interactive actions as quick reply, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am adding the first quick reply for my user as view upcoming auction. Next one is the become a bidder. After that, get auction catalog. See, this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. After doing the setup of the template, you just have to click on the submit button, and after some time your templates get approved by Meta. This is how easily you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this template. Moving forward, when my user will click on this view upcoming auctions button, then my bot will share them the information about the upcoming auction. So for that, I am adding one text button from here and going to enter a related information about the auction in this enter message box. Here I have entered. After that, I am linking this circle which are present in front of view upcoming auctions to this button. After that, with this message, I want to add one button by the name of contact us. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add button and going to enter a button name as contact us. After that, the button type I'm going to select as quick reply. Next, I will click on the save button. See, here I have set this message. Now when my user will click on this contact us button, then my bot will share them the contact details. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am going to enter our next respond message in this enter message box as need help with bidding or registration. Our auction team is ready to assist you with one test contact number and email address. After that, with this message too, I want to add one button by the name of register as a bidder, just like this. So for that, I'm again clicking on this plus add button and going to enter a button name as register as a bidder. After that, the button type I'm going to select as quick reply. Next, I will click on the save button. Now let's say my user wants to register as a bidder, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button as ask question by dragging this box here, and now I am going to enter a question in this enter message box as let's begin your bidder registration. To participate in our auctions, we need a few details. Please enter your full name. So for that, I'm going to select the contact custom field as name. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. Contact custom field let you store your user data like their name, email address, and many more. Completely personalized. Here you will see some universal contact custom fields as name, mobile number, last name, and first name. But if you want to add a new contact custom field, then you just have to click on this plus add more field. After that, enter the name in this field and also enter the description in this field description box. After that, you just have to click on the save button, and this is how easily you can add the contact custom field. Now we will go back to our flow. After that, the format is text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts controls how many times users can retry if they entered invalid data. It means if the user doesn't reply in the correct format, then with the help of this number of attempts, they can reply again. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For example, you can give the validation message as please give name in the correct format. So this is how this validation message works. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking this circle which I present in front of register as bidder to this question node. Now when the user will share their full name, then the bot will ask them to share their email address. So for that, I am again adding one ask question button and going to enter a message as thank you, now please share your email address. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as email and the format is email, and the number of attempts I'll give as 0. After that, I am linking this circle to this. Now moving forward, once the user will share their email address, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am going to enter a respond message in this enter message box as registration setup complete. You are almost ready to start bidding in our auctions. Here I have added one test link for the verification. That's why I have clicked on this enable link preview. You can disable it if you want to. Now the next button is become a bidder. If my user will click on this become a bidder button, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. So for that too, I am connecting this circle to this question node because the process of register as bidder or become a bidder is the same. Now the next button is the get auction catalog. When my user will click on this button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this type of message, that is get auction catalog and one sample catalog PDF. So for that, I am clicking on this messages option and selecting the button type as text button. After that, I am entering the message in this enter message box as get auction catalog. Download the catalog below to preview all upcoming auction items. Now I want to add a PDF of catalog. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add content button. I'm going to select the content type as media. After the media type, I'm going to select as document. Now I'm going to upload one sample catalog. So for that, I'm clicking on this and I want to upload a new file. So I'm clicking on this plus add new file. After that, I am clicking on this and uploading one test file from my gallery. See, the PDF is uploaded successfully. After that, I am connecting this to this. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. So this is how easy it is. Now I am going to tell you the most important part, that how you can send this template message to your multiple users at the same time. So for that, you just have to go in this broadcast feature. After that, click on this plus add broadcast and create a broadcast. See, I already set one broadcast message for the auction alert notification, and I have already created a separate video of how you can create and send broadcast message to your multiple users at the same time. Check the description below for the video link. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of the flow in the description below. You can check it out. And don't forget to use my coupon code while purchasing the Pabbly subscription. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, 24/7 without you touching your phone. And it is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.